Okay, with this carving there are approximately 4 major depths: the background, the face, the cowl or the cloak, and the axe. And the axe is the furthest forward, as I've mentioned before, and so you can still see the very top of the old wood from the very beginning. The depth here is not at all where it will be at the end. It's got about 1.5 inches worth of depth still left, and when I start the boat in the sea later on, it'll be much lower, approximately a little over 1/4 inch to start, probably around here, maybe possibly here, but that's a lot of depth to work with. You don't cut it off just because you know it's got to go. You always leave it there just in case you need it, and that's how I've always worked. So the background, although it will sink quite a bit more, is quite a bit deep now, and it allows me to work. What I'll want to do is use some of the lines that I put in place earlier to help me find certain places in the wood. So this one here is actually the knife, pardon me, the axe head, the top of the axe head. So this is where the axe, sideways here, a bit rounded here, comes down to approximately here and shoots up. This will be the very top, and this will be cut in. I had to leave it tall here, and I had to cut inward here so that I could get the back of the knife, the back of the axe further back. But of course it still sticks out above the cloak. So there's your depth 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll probably now start to cut this back here, for example, bringing this in again to give it the depth it needs. That. And then there's the second part of the axe head, approximately here, and this can be usually approximates, just so that, you know, when you do find detail, you'll get the actual parts of it. So that's good. This is good. We'll have to cut here, push it down further. Of course, then it will start to match up here. We'll have to cut this back again. And then I'll start on the face and getting those more or less in the right spot. And we'll head that way next.